Welcome to OneStepNow, my YouTube channel where I teach you how to make money off of your views on YouTube. And there are a lot of ways to do it. So subscribe if you like that kind of thing. Hit me up in the comments. Turn on the notifications. That way you'll be notified as new things come out. Let's get right to it. This is a beauty. This is a short video and intended to just be useful. You know, if you've got 30 bucks to spend on a drone, this is an excellent choice. This is the first toy drone I purchased. I actually purchased my DJI Mavic Air 2 drone prior. And prior to that I purchased a DJI Mini drone, which I loved, but I never purchased a trainer. But after flying that beast, which can go 45 miles an hour, it occurred to me it might be a good idea to get a trainer drone. This is a good training drone. It's good for flying indoors. I've crashed it, I'm sure, over 200 times, and it still works. Gone through a couple little props, had some really gnarly crashes, never hurt it. I mean, these little things kind of keep, these rings keep these propellers from getting damaged. It's not super fast, but it's fast enough. It's got like 3 speed modes, and I like the look of it. A lot of people modify these things, you know, to go with little cameras on the front and then fly them through goggles. But that's a whole other thing. There's a lot you can do. You can get bigger size batteries for it and so on and so forth, but it's just tons of fun because you can fly it inside anywhere, anytime, and you're going to want the extra batteries for sure. But it comes with this little tiny controller. Look at how small. Both that and a tiny little toy. I would get this again all day. That's all I can say about it. If you're interested in it, go ahead and click on the link in the description. It's the Protensic Mini drone, you'll know, because typically these are the green ones. But this is the small mini whoop drone. Potentially the best Christmas gift for 2020, I would say. Maybe the best gift ever, because it's instantly fun. Hey, thanks for watching OneStepNow. If you like these kinds of videos, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click the notification bell. Appreciate you.